So let's go click the blue square with the X and let's go now talk about communication. So if I go to announcements, this is the first area of communication. This functions the same way as it did in original. Now, if you see this button, yes, I know it's very tempting to press it. Don't start relying on it because after your first announcement, you won't see it. What you need to do is go to the right-hand corner, look for the circle with the plus button, and click on it. Then this is what the announcement does. It functions the same way, it's just dressed up a little bit differently with one new key feature that I'll show you now. So for example, I can say Unit 4 is posted. Don't worry about the recipient's box because honestly, if you click in it, it just reminds you that it's going to 20 people. Then where I see message, I need to click in this box below and I can say Unit 4 materials posted. Please submit work by due date. Then, just like before, you can hit post and it goes right out. If you wanted to, and you don't have to, if you just wanted to, put a, pause in this for today and come back, you can save a draft of your announcement. That's one new feature, but I'll show you that momentarily. But most importantly, let's say, just like before, you want to send an email copy, you can just check this box off and hit post. But most importantly, and I think this is the highlighted feature, is you can also, unlike before, send an email copy and schedule your announcement for some time in the future. So for example, if Unit 4 posts on November 14th, I can click on the calendar, I can click on the arrow and I can say, not 14th, 18th. I can say, okay, post it then, and I want it to be at 8:20, let's say 8:30, make it a round even number. I can click on this area here, save my change, and then I can go ahead and hit post. And the key to note is where you see status, it will let you know that you have scheduled the announcement. Let me show you what it looks like with the draft as well. So if you, for example, Unit 5, and you just start typing it out, but then, for example, you have to go run to class and you're not quite done yet, what you can do is you can click on Save Draft, and it will show you with like a line through like the bullhorn that and it will also show you with the draft word that you're still working on it. So I like that.